All right, y'all, so you just got your brand new iPad mini here and you're trying to decide which one of these cases that you all should get for your iPad mini. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video, man, all of the cases. These are the Smart Folio cases that you guys can pick up for the iPad mini. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys with them with the starlight color of the iPad because this is the best looking one that I personally think that they came out with. So let's go ahead and try these bad boys on so I can show you what they look like so you can make the best buying decision. Let's go. All right, y'all, so right now I got here the iPad mini. Now the color that I got it in, as y'all can see, is the brand new starlight color that I showed you guys in my other video. You can see it right here. Now what I'm going to be doing is just trying on each one of these cases and letting you guys see what each case looked like with this starlight color. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Now I got this cloth down so I don't scratch it or anything like that. Now the first thing that we have up here is this color case. Now this one is called English Lavender. So let's go ahead and take this one out of the box, and this is what you guys are going to get. So you literally just get the Smart Folio case. Now this is different than the Smart Folio cases that I used to have on the original one. Now let's go ahead and just put it in here. Now in order for you guys to put this in here, all you have to do is just literally just sit it right on top, and you can see it's just going to connect via magnets, and then boom, just like that. Now when you do close this, it will go ahead and lock the screen, and I'll show that once again. Got it unlocked right here. Close it over. Boom, you can hear it actually locking the screen. Open it back up, it is now locked. So actually like the lavender color, man. I ain't even gonna lie, this lavender color really giving me like it's kind of like springish vibes, but like a little bit mix of like a fall vibe as well. Now one thing you can do with these cases, you can fold it back like so, and you can sit it up to where it sits up like a stand. You can also have it to where if you sit it like this, if you guys want to be able to kind of be on it and type it and so forth, you can also use it in that orientation as well. Or if you want, you can sit it up like this too. So you can do what you want with it, but another thing you can do is you can fold it kind of like halfway in three, so that way you can still be able to use the camera here on the back side. But yeah, I do like this colorway on it. I also like the fact that it's just a magnet. Like the fact that it's just a magnet just plops right on there. Super simple. Now it is a pretty strong magnet. Let's kind of test the little shake out. It's a pretty strong magnet, not even gonna lie. So it's actually not moving. So, but yeah, there you guys have it, man. This is the English Lavender color on the iPad mini. Now the next one that we got here, this one is called Dark Cherry. So this one here is the Dark Cherry one that we have. So let's go ahead and take this one out of the box as well. Now with this one here, we're just gonna take it again, plop it right here on the inside, close it up. Now let's go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see it. Let's go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see it with it actually on with the case. Boom. Now this one here I really like, man, because it's kind of like a darker tone. So I will say with this one, it's probably gonna be less likely to see dirt versus something like this English Lavender one that I just showed you guys. But yeah, this is the Dark Cherry one. Again, pretty much the exact same vibe. If you want to actually sit it up, you can do so as well with that. Basically how you guys have it. So this is the Dark Cherry one. Pretty dope. All right, so the next one that we got here, this one is called Electric Orange. Now I got a feeling I'm gonna like this one, man, because oh wow, this is vibrant. All right, so let's go ahead and take this one out here real quick. Close that down, take the paper out, boom. Take this, sit it right inside like so. Oh yeah, oh this is it. Oh yeah, this is the one, y'all. This is the one, man. I'm already liking this color combo with the starlight color. Oh yeah, this is fire. Now what I would probably do is I would probably go into this. So let me go into my let's go into wallpaper. I'm gonna choose a wallpaper for this one. Let's see here. We got stills. Yeah, I'm gonna switch this one up. We're gonna choose this one for the wallpaper with this one. So I'm gonna set to both. Boom. Whoo-hoo. Oh yeah, tell me that ain't it, y'all. Oh, that's fire. Yeah, that is absolute fire. Yeah, the Electric Orange, so far, man, it's my number one. Now, as far as these cases go, man, they feel really good in the hands. It's got that same like suede-like material that you get on something like the silicone cases by Apple. Now, honestly, I wish they would have made a silicone case this exact same Electric Orange versus having kind of this like this salmon orange that we got right here with the case. But nonetheless, man, this looks super fire on the iPad mini case. Yeah, this is This is 100% the one. All right, so let's go ahead and take that one out, and then let's try on the next one. Now this one here is called white, just plain Jane white. No special names to it. Now this is probably one, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie to you, this is probably one I probably would not get, simply because I feel like if you're getting a white folio case, you asking for problems. Because yeah, like, okay, so on the inside it's more of like a gray, and then on the outside it is all the way white, y'all. So I feel like with this one, you just asking for dirt to just creep up on this one, man. So for me, I would personally stay away from this one, although it doesn't look bad. But again, with the natural hand oils and you sitting it down on different desks and that might not be clean and so forth, this is just not going to stay clean at all. So this is honestly, I look at it as just an Apple money grab, because they know that if people get this case here, they're going to have to buy another one. So I would stay away from this one. But nonetheless, if you do like it, then here you go. This is how it's actually going to look on it. You got the all white, and again, you got all of your cutouts for the camera. The top of it is exposed, as well as the bottom is exposed as well. But yeah, there you go. This is the all white version of the Smart Folio case. Now, one thing I gotta say, man, I like how easy it is to be able to just take these cases on and off. Apple just made that process super simple. Now, the last one that we got here, before we take it out, this one is called Black. So this one is just called Black. Now, it's weird that they didn't use the same name that they use with the iPhone cases, which the black one was called Midnight. So I'm not sure why they changed the name for it, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and plop this one on here like so. Boom, got it on there. And this is the all black case. Now let's see what it looks like with that screen, with that background screen on it, like we see right here. Okay, I'm liking the vibe of it. The black don't look bad either. Now, black would honestly be a great choice for this, simply because with the black one, y'all, it's probably gonna be the best for hiding dirt, or even something like this lavender color. I mean, something like this dark cherry color. These are probably gonna be the best two for hiding dirt and different things like that. But yeah, this is the all black folio case for the iPad mini 6. All right, so I'm gonna head back to the couch here so I can let y'all know which one out of all of these cases is my favorite and which one is probably my least favorite. Let's go. All right, y'all, so now that we pretty much tried on every single one of these on the iPad mini, I wanna let you guys know which is probably like my top two and probably like my least top two. So let me go ahead and share that with you guys right now. Now, my top two is probably gonna be my top two is probably gonna be, honestly, my top two is probably gonna be these two right here. This is my number one, 100%. This electric orange is absolute fire, y'all. This is the one that I would recommend you guys get, just because I think color-wise it looks the best. And you already know I got the orange on orange pillows right here behind me. So y'all already knew I was gonna pick this color. Anyway, my runner-up has to be the dark cherry color. I do like the dark cherry color as well. Now, the reason why I like this one, because if I was gonna get any one of these cases, these will probably be the two, because I can use this one as like if I want to spice things up, but then I can use this one as my everyday, because I know with the darker one, it's not going to show as much dirt over time. So this is probably why you're going to want to have a darker one within your collection. Now, as far as my least two favorite, I already know this is probably going to be my least favorite one, and this is the white, just simply because if you're getting an all white case, it's just not going to look good over time with the natural hand oils, dirt, and different things like that. It's going to show dirt pretty bad on this case. So I highly recommend you guys stay away from the white color one. And then probably, honestly, to be honest, I don't have a second least favorite, because honestly, I would rock these two on this color as well, because the lavender one actually looks good too. And then the black one, you already know you can't go wrong with black as well. So nonetheless, man, that is all of the iPad Smart Folio cases. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Now, if you want to check out the video where I unbox all of the Apple silicone cases for the iPhone 13 Pro, then go ahead and check that video out down in the description section below. Otherwise, thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.